What's up guys, welcome back with another video. Today we'll be checking out this AirPods right here, the AirPods 2 copy. And AirPods 2, one of the best clones out there, is the i200 TWS. So right now China has released so many versions that were completely lost. Most of these versions are actually almost the same. The only difference is probably the battery, maybe the chip inside it, but other than that they're almost the same quality. So I got here this one, the i200 TWS, for around $21 USD, which is actually not bad for a clone compared to the other ones that they sell for around $70, $50. So as you can tell in the front of the box, the image of the AirPods is actually not exactly the same as the AirPods 2 original ones. Now on the side of the box, it does not have any AirPods or any Apple logo, as you can tell. When I received the package, it didn't came with one that was actually wrapped with a plastic. It actually came just like this without any plastic wrapping the actual box. So I'm questioning myself if this product was actually damaged or not, because it just came in like this with an open box. So let's check it out. As you open the box, on the top right here, it does not have a code, and you'll be presented by the AirPods right away. So the packaging is not one-to-one, but the AirPods is one-to-one, as you can tell right here. The wrapping plastic's not the best quality. Simply gonna remove it. And we got the AirPods 2 right here, just like the original one. We've got the LED in the front, not inside the case. And on the bottom right here, it does actually use the lightning cable just like the original one. And in the back, we got the button, which is at the center of the case, just like the second generation. And the hinge looks exactly just like the original one. The only thing that you're missing right here is the writing right here that it says designed by Apple, assembled in China. It does not say anything of that right here. That's the only thing that you're missing from the original one. Other than that, in the box you will have a plastic container that contains the AirPods, which looks different than the original one. And then we've got the charger itself. Once again, it's a lightning cable just like the original one. It does feel quite crappy, I'd say. It's not the best quality. The plastic is quite cheap. And we've got the manual inside. It's in Chinese, and on the other side is in English. It was mentioned that the battery lasts around 2 to 3 hours for the earbuds itself. And for the case, it should last around 19 to 20 hours. You should be able to charge it for 3-4 times. It takes around 70 minutes to charge the earbuds and around an hour or so to charge the case also. So it does say that it comes with the pop-up feature, just like the original one. So let's see if it actually works. So we're just going to lift up the hinge right here. And wow, as you can see guys, it does say not your AirPods. We're going to do simply tap on connect, and then you're going to hold the back button of the AirPods, which is right here. Simply hold it for around 4 seconds, and then as you can see, the AirPods are connecting, and they're connected. The case is 66% charged and the AirPods are 100% charged. This is actually the real battery. Finally, we got some real battery percentage for the AirPods. As you can see right here, we've got each AirPods 100% and the AirPod case 66%. So let's remove them from the case. On the top of the case right here, as you can see, it does not have any writings. And the original one, it does have writing. It does have the serial number, but this does not have any. Now on the bottom, that's how it looks. Similar to the original one. You can close the case. Now these AirPods do have tap control and air detections. So I currently have the AirPods in my ears, and I'm going to remove one of them and the music should stop. And as you can see, it does stop, and when I put it back in my ears, it should continue playing. As you can see, it continues playing. So as you can see, the music is playing. If I double tap on the right side of the AirPod, the music should stop. So let's double tap. As you can see, it does stop. Now you tap it twice again and the music should continue playing. 1, 2. And there you go. If you triple tap the AirPods, it should go to the next song. So let's try that out. 1, 2, 3. and then as you can see, it does work. Now if you do use the left side of the AirPods to double tap, it will come up with Siri, and if you triple tap, it should go to the previous song. Now the sound quality is actually not bad at all for the price, but when you're watching a video on YouTube, it kind of have some delay, I'd say. It's like less than a second delay when someone is speaking. It's not the best experience, but it's actually not bad once you get used to it. But if you're using these AirPods to listen to music, I've got to say they're actually not bad at all. I've got to say that these are probably one of the best AirPods copy, including the H1 chip. It's really incredible to see China having this chip copied on their AirPods. Now this product was not sent to me. This video is not sponsored by any China websites out there. Considering that this is only $21 USD, you can also wireless charge on this. I'm pretty sure in the future they will come out with new copies which will be even better than this one. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up to this video if you did enjoy, and also I'll be giving one of these away if this video hits 1,000 likes. Comment below your Instagram so I'll be able to contact you, and other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Let's see, bitch.